Hi guys, I am Ajith Koralegedara and my student ID is 1622776. Here I will be demonstrating a Java Eclipse recycle machine in this video. So first of all, we'll run the recycle machine GUI. So if we run the GUI, it comes like this. So here I have used 4 buttons for inserting 4 items like can, bottle, crate and paperback, and this button is for the clear the console, and this button is for the receipt, that means to print the receipt. So if we add a item by clicking on the button which is allocated for the each item, it shows like can insert, that means I have you click the can button. So when we click on receipt button, it will print the receipt. So from this we can clear the console, and when we then we can add a bottle and click on receipt, then it will print. Likewise we can add all these item, and when we click on the receipt, it will come like this, and so we can clear here. And when we click the receipt button without inserting any item, it comes like it shows a message, please select an item. So then we have to click an item and then click the receipt. So if we insert 10 items in a row, it will show a message that the machine is full, like then it shows like a machine is full. Then we have to click OK, then it will show the items, the 10 items inserted. Then that's all about the recycle machine. So let's look at the code. First let's begin with the recycle GUI. So this is the recycle GUI and code. And here it recycle GUI extend JFrame implements action listener print interface. So action listener is used to generate actions within the code, that means within the GUI, and the print interface is used for the printing. And here customer panel, my customer panel equal new customer panel. Here define my customer panel as new customer panel. So we can call a customer panel in any part of this code. And next is the action perform, that means this part. This is used to set values for the items. For example, we have if statement, that means if statement equals to slot 1, and the classification of item have done within the deposit item receiver, and slot 1 have given to the first item, slot 2 has given to the second item, likewise slots have been given to each item. And here I have implemented names for each slot, that means like slot 1 for the can, slot 2 is to the bottle, slot 3 crate, likewise. And here I have used some icon images for the buttons, and this is that part. And here and this is the printing receipt part, that means from this part is when we click the receipt button, the receipt will print in the console from this part. The classes, first of all I will take the bottle class, and here the bottle class extends the deposit item. Bottle class is public method where sets the weight, size and value. And also public string method returns the name bottle by using the get name part. And likewise the can, crate and the paperback follows the same principles. So next we'll take the deposit item class, and this is an abstract class which set the values to number, value, weight in integer, and get the name method. These methods are being called from within the items. So next we'll move on to the deposit item receiver. In here, first of all, we can see the printer interface, so we can use it throughout the class. So here the receipt basics and the printer interface have been equal to null, because so it can be used through the class. And here I have created the new receipt basis from here, and when you go down, I have used numbers from 1 to 4 to each item. Number 1 to first item, 2 to second, likewise. From this method we can add items to the receipt basis, like this: add item, the receipt basis dot add item. And also from this part I have used an exception, that earlier I have told that when we click on the receipt button without inserting an item, it comes and gives us a message like please select an item, and that message is given from this part. And also from here, if we insert items more than 10, it gives us a message is full, and that message is given through this. And also at last, from this part, it prints the receipt to the console. To the receipt basics, here what it tells first is add item to my item vector, and the next statement is define the index of the item. So there is a number set on the item, so default number in Java is 0. So from here I have used +1 to add, and it start with the number 1. So here it says how the receipt is printing, that means the sketch how the print is, that means the receipt is printing. And here use a switch statement to get the count of each item, that means when we add items it takes a count, and from the last part it returns the receipt. So what next is the printer interface, and we use this for the printing, and this goes with the display class. And display class and the receipt printer class is used in the previous activities. We are talking about is sample tester, and this is how we used to get the items on the console using simple tester. So next one I am going to talk about is the Java doc. When we open this, it shows bottle, can, crate, and all the classes here, and from this we can take a summary about constructors, methods, method inheritors, constructor details. Then in all classes, the methods, constructors, what we use are given in here. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys will get a overall idea about my recycle machine.